Hey there, wonderful people! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the intriguing topic of chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS. But fear not, we're making it both educational and fun. So, let's kick it off with the basics. Did you know that a disturbed immune system is like the conductor in the orchestra of chronic fatigue syndrome? Yep, it's the maestro behind the scenes. But wait, here's the kicker. CFS isn't the only player in the game. We've got fibromyalgia and multiple chemical sensitivity disorder rocking similar symptoms. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Chronic fatigue can be a sneaky beast, hiding behind a myriad of physical and psychological factors. That's why a thorough medical exam is your superhero cape in this battle against fatigue. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. Your energy level and emotional state? They're like best buddies having a dance-off, influenced by both your mind and body. Now, let's talk about detoxification. Think of it as giving your body a spring cleaning, flushing out all those toxins that bog you down. And here's a fun fact for you history buffs out there. Chronic fatigue has been on the radar since the 1930s, linked to food allergies. Who knew, right? But wait, there's more. Your diet isn't just about satisfying your taste buds, it's directly linked to your energy levels. So, munch on those nutrient-packed goodies. Speaking of nutrients, let's talk deficiencies. Turns out, even a mild shortage of magnesium can leave you feeling like you've run a marathon in your sleep. But fear not. We've got some powerhouse pals like carnitine and coenzyme Q10, teaming up to kickstart your energy production. Now, let's tackle stress. Remember, good posture, deep breathing, and a little bodywork can zap that stress monster in its tracks. And here's a game changer for you gym buffs. Regular exercise can boost your immune system's natural killer cell activity by up to a whopping 100%. Last but not least, let's talk about Siberian ginseng, the unsung hero in the battle against CFS. It's like nature's little energy booster. Well, that's a wrap for today's adventure in the world of chronic fatigue syndrome. Remember, knowledge is power, so arm yourself with these tips and tricks to conquer fatigue like a boss. If you enjoyed today's video and want to dive deeper into the world of health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button below. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep rocking on.